Okay, well that was a December 23rd. No, December 22nd. December 22nd. 23rd is tomorrow. 24th is Tuesday. So December 22nd flight in the Pietenpol. First flight with the little Akaso. Oh, EK 7000. Akaso 7000. Knockoff GoPro camera. That's what this is. So here we are, Columbia Station Airport, roughest runway in Cuyahoga County. Or is it Lorain County? I don't know where we're at. Lorain County, whatever. Medina, Cuyahoga, doesn't matter. It's still rough runway. So camera did pretty good. These are the built-in hand warmers for the Pietenpol. When you're done with the flight, you just put your hand in here, and it's nice and toasty. There's one for your left hand and your right hand. Check this out. There's for your left hand is a hand warmer, and this is for your right hand. It doesn't matter if you're right-handed or left-handed. They both work. And you got to talk to your audience. Oh, that was mean. That was mean. I'm part of it. I'm part of the audience. The audience. So that's it. So now I'm actually in the GoPro world. And here, just like Bob Hoover, you know, I come back to my starting point. There's my left chocks. There's my right chocks. See? I come back right to the starting point. There's somebody flying an airplane with an enclosed cabin, heated enclosed cabin, not like this. Open cockpit, baby. That's open cockpit. There you go. There you have it. Mittens, gloves, you name it. This is not for the faint-hearted on a 47-degree day. All you guys in California and Florida, eat your hearts out. You don't get to do this very often. So, temperature got out. Wow, the oil temperature actually, the needle for the temperature actually moved. It actually moved. No, I've flown this thing on an 8-degree day. And the tachometer cable, the grease in the tachometer cable casing promptly, the shaft, the cable for the tachometer cable was, you know, obviously in its casing, and the grease inside the casing was super cold on that day, as you might expect. So, full throttle, climbing out on an 8-degree day. It was New Year's Day, actually, 2000. And the RPMs went to 0 on the RPM indicator. Whew, 0. That caught my attention. But the engine was going full blast, doing great. So, what it was, just the cable broke. And this is an aircraft spruce and specialty. It took forever to get a new cable. It took them like 4 months to figure out how to make a cable for a tachometer cable that they make. So what a bunch of losers. Wicks all the way, baby. Wicks all the way. That's what I say. Sorry, Jim Irwin. Get your act together. Wicks, baby. Wicks is where it's at.